Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got our hands on the all-new 2026 Opel Grandland PHEV. And trust me, this thing is turning heads in Europe. With bold styling, an all-new platform, and plug-in hybrid power, the Grandland might just be the future of SUVs, even if it's not in the US yet. This isn't the Grandland you remember. Opel has completely reimagined it with a bold, dynamic look. The sleek visor front grille, sharp LED lighting, and sculpted lines give it a premium presence. And in this pearl white finish, it looks straight up futuristic. Think Range Rover meets EV simplicity. Inside, the new Grandland feels modern and minimal. You've got Opel's next-gen, pure panel cockpit with dual widescreens and a clean, driver-focused layout. Materials feel upscale, space is generous in both rows, and the trunk is family road trip approved. It's stylish and functional. Under the hood, this top-of-the-line Grandland comes with a plug-in hybrid system that combines electric driving with a turbocharged engine. You get electric-only range for your daily commute, and the confidence of gas for longer trips. It's quiet, responsive, and seriously efficient. So, why should American viewers care? Opel is part of the Stellantis family, same as Jeep, Dodge, and Chrysler. The design language, hybrid systems, and digital interfaces you see here could shape the future of US-bound vehicles. This is a glimpse of where SUVs are heading. The 2026 Grandland PHEV is stylish, smart, and ready for the electrified age. It blends design, space, and hybrid performance in a way that rivals like the Toyota RAV4 Prime or Ford Escape PHEV would take seriously. If only Opel sold it here. If you enjoyed this look at the new Grandland, hit that like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Would you buy this SUV if it came to the US? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.